Hi, I'm Traci Lynn, and I want you to move your body for 9 minutes and 40 seconds. That's it. To a glute ab challenge workout featuring compound movements, because we will be throwing our upper body in there too. We're getting it all on our backs, supine, working it all. Quick workout. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to watch my first channel intro videos when you get a chance so you can understand what my workouts are all about. My workouts are very customizable. Make it yours. Listen to where you are today. Work at your level. Modify these movements in any way you need to. If the weights aren't working for you, just drop them and do the movements, or use the lighter weight, or go heavier. Modify. Rest longer if you need to. Keep the proper form. And be sure to watch my Basics of Proper Form video, especially you beginners out there. Get those basics down, so important. Practice those. Warm-ups and cool-downs are not included in most of my workouts, but I have a warm-up video, which I suggest you get a quick warm-up if you haven't, and a cool-down video, which definitely do a cool-down after each workout. This workout, I'm going to include a quick cool-down though for you. So quick workout, 9 minutes, 40 seconds. I will show you the first move, and then with the rest time, I'll show you the next move. We'll just get this done real quick on our backs. I'm using 10-pound weights. I would suggest for beginners, those who haven't worked out a whole lot regularly, maybe some 5s or 8s. But I'm using 10s. So you can go 12, you can go 15, whatever works for you. So let me show you the first movement. Are you ready? I'm gonna grab these weights, put that paper there. This is a glute bridge hold. Okay, try not to arch that back. Try to keep it, besides this glute bridge hold, but when you're doing any other types of movements, you want to keep that lower back on the ground as much as possible. But this is actually a glute bridge hold. You're going to bring your glutes up, squeeze, nice and stable, straight line, and we are going to do chest press. Just like this, for 40 seconds. Are you ready? And then I'll show you the next move. Are you ready? Let's go. We're starting in 5 seconds. Right here. Stop about right there. Back up. Squeeze those glutes. Bring the heels back towards you. A little more. Squeeze those glutes. Keep those abs nice and tight. So these weights are kind of light for me, just to give you a reference point, but they would be definitely heavier for a beginner. I wouldn't go much heavier than this though, for me. Next movement, glute bridge, up and down chest press. Okay, now we're gonna put the palms in, and you're going to go down, up and down. Squeeze those glutes. Just like that. Are you ready? Quick workout. Getting the glutes, getting the abs, getting chest, getting arms, go get your back. And lots of abs. Did I say that already? Lots of abs. Core workout here. The more you can activate those glutes and squeeze those muscles when you come up, the more work you're getting in those glute muscles. Finish it out. Next move. I should know these by now. Like these. Okay, you are going to, this is for our back. Come up, keep that lower back on the ground. Out, hip abduction, chest fly. Back down. Keep that lower back down on the ground. Chest fly with hip abduction. Lower those legs to the point where your lower back is not lifting off the floor. As soon as it starts to lift, you bring them back up. Flex those feet. It helps. For me, somehow it helps me keep my lower back on the ground. Chest flies. Breathe. Woo! Back down. If you have your feet flexed like this, you can go down a little lower. One more. Okay, next move. Okay, more chest flies. This time we're just keeping our legs up. Abduction bees, I call them. Hip abduction. Getting right into that outer hip and glute muscle. One more move, and then we do these all again. Finish it. Okay, back to the glute up and downs of tricep extensions. Okay, it looks like this. You're just moving through your elbow joint, lower arm, upper arm stays put. These are known as skull crushers. I really don't like that name, but I can see where it comes from, so be careful. I'm going back here with the weights. Just hold on tight. Hold on to those weights. Try to go full range. Don't hit your head with the weights. Squeeze those glutes. Remember, the more you squeeze, the more work you get. We're going to repeat those. Glute bridge hold. Whew. Gotta bring those hands down. And then we'll do a quick cool down after this. Real quick. It's good to do a cool down now. Okay, glute bridge hold with the chest press. Hold it up. Again, you can modify though. If you want to go up and down like that, you can also. But if you're holding it, I want you to hold those muscles, like activate those. Squeeze those muscles and have those contracted the whole time. Keep those abs nice and tight. Keep them tight. Next move, that glute bridge up and down with the chest press, palms in. Rest your arms if you need to. Okay, ready? The rest time goes quick. Rest longer if you need to though. Up, down, up. Let's get another angle of the chest, holding the palms in like this. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Squeeze them. Squeeze those chest muscles. Okay, those straight arm back, keep that lower back on the ground, up, flies with the V out, back in, down, flex the feet, don't let that lower back leave the ground. Stop your legs if they are, if it is. Okay, ready? Don't bring your legs down anymore if your lower back. Almost done. Okay. Legs straight up. Just those chest flies. Palms in. Your abs are working right now. Getting a lot of chest work here. Pectoralis muscles. Get into the glutes a lot. And you're working your legs. You're working everything. Arms. And you are getting some cardio because you're working multiple muscles, meaning your heart is pumping blood to all those muscles working. One more. Okay, back to that glute bridge. Up and down with tricep extensions, otherwise known as skull crushers. Don't do that. Don't crush your skull. Don't do that. Watch those weights. Squeeze those glute muscles, activate those. Hold it up if you want to. Keep your bridge if you want to, and just squeeze those glutes. Quick cool down. There we go, good job. It doesn't have to be a lot. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we've got to move, and that was a quick workout, just something, moving your body. Even if you don't have time to work out, even 5 minutes, just something. Move your body. Do some movement. Put on any of my workouts. Do half of one if you have to. Do something. Gotta move. So if you liked that workout, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. That'd be great. That helps me and my new channel. Share with friends and family. Anyone you can think of on or off social media. Let's get everybody moving. And subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because that's the only way you'll know every time I upload a new workout. And I have so many I'll be uploading regularly, at least once a week. So that's it. Let's do a cool down real quick and download my workout log if you haven't. Very effective, especially for you beginners out there. So let's do a quick cool down, just super quick. I'm actually gonna lay this way. We will go back down on our back. I love this cool down. I do this whether I've worked out or not. This is just so relaxing. So a wall-to-wall stretch. Wall-to-wall, stretch it out. Woo. And then bring your legs in towards your chest and just squeeze them in. Squeeze them in. Breathe. Breathe into it. Okay. Let's bring your legs down, cross your right leg over, grab behind your left, and pull that towards you. And try to push your right knee out while you pull your left leg in and just feel that stretch. All in there. Gotta stretch those hips. Woo! Just hold it. Okay, now I want you to bring that left leg down and pull this leg up towards your right shoulder. Squeeze it up there. Let's get into that flexor. Squeeze it up there. Okay, now you're going to push that leg toward the left. Don't hit your leg like I just did. Leave this arm there. Look this way. Push the opposite way. Keep your shoulder on the ground, your right shoulder. And just push that, feel that stretch in your lower back, your hips. I love this. So relaxing. Do this again after if you want to and hold the stretches longer. Whew. Okay, come back up. Squeeze it back in. Right leg down. Cross the left over. Push that knee toward that way and pull this right leg up toward your chest and feel that stretch. Actually, flex that foot. I forgot to say that. If you flex this foot more, helps you. Helps you push in. For me anyway, it helps. Just really pull it in. Okay, drop this leg straight. Pull this one up towards your left shoulder. Feel that flexion stretch. Back over. Look the opposite way. Keep that shoulder, that left shoulder on the ground. That is wonderful. I just love this stretch. Do this one every morning and you'll feel great. Okay, now slowly roll up. Slowly. And just reach for your toes. If you can, just kind of stretch out those hamstrings. Now, put your right hand here and just pull back on your foot and get that stretch in your lats. It just is a great stretch. It's so relieving. Like I said, do this in the morning. It feels so good. Push those feet out. Push the feet out that way, and you're pulling this way. Now the opposite. Pull, push your feet that way, pull this way. And stretch all that. Okay, another one of my favorites. Cross it over, put your arm here, push your leg that way with your arm and get that rear shoulder muscle, lower back, just twist it around. Really good lower back stretch too. And the other side, push your leg that way against it so you can get that rear shoulder stretch, lower back. Oh, that feels wonderful. Almost done. Okay. Woo. Now let's bring the arms back. I'm just going to sit down and do this whole cool down sitting down. Up. I'm actually going to make a video with this cool down because I just find this to be my favorite right here. Raise those arms up. Stretch in that chest. Feel that stretch in your arms, your shoulders, everything. I'm going to throw a little extra in here. If you bring your arms over like this, toward this side, and then pull your neck toward that same side, like your head tilted over, you'll get that neck stretch. And the other side. Hold those hands together. Stretch. And last but not least, triceps. Gotta get those triceps. Push that elbow back and grab your upper back. Put your hand there. Push it back. That's it. Thank you for staying, and thanks for joining me in this workout, and I look forward to having you join me in as many of my workouts as you possibly can. Thank you.